Hello everyone, today I'm so excited to introduce to you a new perfume from Mon Guerlain from VipBrands also. So this fragrance is an oriental woody fragrance for women, and also this fragrance is made for those who are associated with old perfume, fashion perfume. Also, Mon Guerlain, look at the bottle, it looks like it's so classy and it's classic, it's so simple bottle. Also the smell, it's so sweety, and it's made in lavender, and you know lavender, it's so sweety and makes me it reminds me a sort of homely, a sort of bubbly. It's smell like bubble gum. So this fragrance is a wonderful fragrance. It's so classy, and also you don't have to. You only really need to spray it 1 or 2 sprays, because the scent, the smell, it's quite strong while it's lasting. So you don't have to apply more than 1 spray or 2 spray, and it's not overly sweet. As I said, also caramel. This fragrance, the top notes of this fragrance. There is also a caramel, lavender, rose, vanilla, and also patchouli, iris, rose, which make the smell a little bit sweety, but as I said, not overly sweet. So don't miss it. Just order it from VipBrands and also enjoy the discount. There is amazing discount. You can just check the link on this description. I left you the link, and check it and get your Guerlain with an amazing discount. So see you soon.